Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to the Ivory Coast. We are going to use the Remitly app because I think this is the easiest way to transfer money internationally without having an international bank account. So basically you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the top left corner of the screen where you can choose the country where you would like to transfer money to, which is, sorry, I tapped Costa Rica, which is the Ivory Coast in our case. Then when you tap on it, you just have to tap on get started, add the new recipient, and after that you just have to type in the amount of money that you would like to transfer. On the top of the screen you can see your local currency, and below that you can see your recipient country's currency. Then tap on continue, then choose the delivery method and the bank. Then you just have to add the IBAN code, the bank address of your recipient. Here you must be very careful to add the correct number. Obviously, I'm just going to use a fictional number here. Let's see if it works. Then you have to add the first name and the last name of your recipient. Tap on continue again. You can also add the phone number, but you can also skip this step. You also have to add the reason of sending. As you can see, you can choose between these reasons, then tap on continue, and the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details so your recipient can receive it in the form of a regular bank transfer. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.